What's going on, guys? Thanks for coming back to the channel. Tonight I have a different review for you other than a beard product review. Yes, you heard me right. Tonight I got an EDC type minimalist review for you guys, for all you EDC guys rather. Stay tuned after the intro and we'll get right into it. Welcome back, guys. Thanks for coming back to the channel. Hope everybody is safe and sound. I hope you guys are staying safe and doing your whole COVID mask, cover your face kind of thing. Even though, in my opinion, masks don't do anything unless you have the medical certified ones. But that's a whole new, different video. Anyways, thanks for coming back to the channel, guys. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I hope you're enjoying the content. I'm trying to push out as much as I can. I think I'm almost up to 500 videos, and that's a personal goal for me. Getting to 1,000 subscribers was an awesome feeling, but that 500 video mark, that's what I'm pushing for. I might even be already past that. I don't know. I don't like, to look and say one more video, one more video, one more video. Anyway, I'm babbling. Sorry, guys. From all my EDC minimalist guys, if you've been following my channel and my wallet series, you'll see that I am a big supporter of Fidelo Minimalist wallets. They offer minimalist wallets, like we're talking small EDC type minimalist wallets. They are one of my favorite wallets to carry. They offer different types, sizes, styles. Tonight we're going to go over one of their wallets, or I should say 3 of their wallets, but it's a different kind of video. This I've been asked to do several times. People has DM'd me asking me to do this particular video, and as a reviewer, you try to answer all your supporters' questions, all your subscribers, what they want to see, and I'm slowly trying to get to that. Nobody's perfect, but I appreciate all you guys. I appreciate all the support. Tonight we're going to go over a popular demand item that Fidelo offers, and that is their trio pack of wallets. And I shouldn't say wallets. This is actually a single wallet, but the face of them, there's 3 different faces. And I'll show you here in a second what I mean. Fidelo is a minimalist wallet company. They make great products. They're affordable products. I think I own mostly all their products. I've purchased a few. They sent me a few. And I think I'm going to have a giveaway of one of these here in the near future for you guys, for all my supporters, my subscribers, my followers. And what this is, it is a trio pack, of course. You can find this on Amazon. And when you open this up, you are greeted with that little guy right there. And this is, excuse me, I believe a warranty type card. And just appreciation, appreciate your business. And under that is this soft little protectant. And this is what you receive. And I don't know about you guys, but I love the carbon fiber look. Just something about that. It looks really nice. But the middle wallet right here is an actual minimalist wallet. You get the clip. You can see, and the way this works is when you fill it up, you push that up, and with your bottom of your finger, you kind of push that open, and it kind of splits open like that. Just a really overall nice looking minimalist wallet, and just awesome. This kit, like I said, it comes with 2 different faceplates. This one being black, of course, and it's got the Fidelo name on the top, and on the bottom of that it gives you another money clip, which is I think is pretty awesome, because if you lose the one when you're taking it apart, or it breaks or something, you have the extra one. And the other one is like a type of gunmetal gray. Got the name on it too. And on the bottom of that, you have a couple of, if I can get them out, a couple of money bands to put around the wallet. My favorite part of, you can replace the pieces on the front and the back. You can replace these plates. And I don't know about you guys, but in my tool set, I don't have tools that small. At least I don't think so. I never really actually checked. They include a free toolkit. And if you remember my one video, this is awesome. They give you this. And if I can get this out, they give you a set of extra screws. And what is nice about this is it's, you can throw this in your pocket, just, go. And as you can see, they give you the head for the screws to get out. And this thing pops in, little audible click to make sure it's in there. And the only thing that I had the concern about is that it's obviously not going to make or break me. The small as these are and as small as these screws are, let me show you guys. I don't know if you guys can see them screws. They're really tiny. The only thing I would change out of this, I apologize for looking down. The only thing I would change is make this tip magnetic. That way, when you're going and unscrewing the screws, it sticks to that, and you can just kind of use your finger to flip it on the table or your workbench or whatever. That's my only concern or thing that I would change about these sets. Other than that, these would make an awesome Christmas gift. Ladies, gents, if you're watching, they're nice, they're comfortable. I carry one all the time. I had a buddy of mine make me a custom leather one that I do carry with me. I use that for my concealed carry permit, my driver's license, and a couple of credit cards. These wallets I mainly use for like credit cards, my social security card, my medical card, et cetera, et cetera. But this is a really nice set. If you guys are in the market, I would definitely highly recommend check out Fidelo. They offer some pretty nice products. Their wallets are top notch. If you like that stylish, sleek EDC type look, I love their boxes. They got the flip top magnetic box right here. Just awesome products. I'll leave everything in the description as always. I'd like to send a big thank you out to Fidelo for sending this out for review. Like I said, guys, I might be having a giveaway for one of these kits very, very soon, so keep an eye out for that. Appreciate all the support. Thank you guys over on Instagram, here on YouTube. If you haven't followed me on Instagram, I'll leave my handle right here, Mr. Beardtastic, all lowercase. If you're not subscribed to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Head over and follow me on Instagram. I'm pretty busy on there pretty much every day when I can. Other than that, thank you guys for sticking around for the video. If you liked it, hit that thumbs up button. Till the next review, guys, peace.